Before starting our 12th standard syllabus, we will recall some definitions and formulae of the 11th standard. So let us start. Definition of derivative. The derivative of f of x with respect to x at x equal to a is given by f dash of a is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. This is the definition of derivative at x is equal to a. Now, the derivative can also be defined for f of x at any point x. Suppose for any point x, the derivative of a function f of x on an open interval is given by f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, and this is known as first principle of derivative or derivative by using first principle. And here f dash of x is the notation of derivative of f of x with respect to x. Further, if the function is given as, suppose a function is given as y is equal to f of x, then suppose the function is given as y is equal to f of x, then its derivative is written as dy by dx. That means derivative of y with respect to x exists. dy by dx denotes the derivative of y with respect to x. Now see here, if the function is given by y equal to f of x, its derivative is written as dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. So here we can conclude that f dash of x and the term dy by dx both are the notations of derivative of a function. The first notation, that is dy by dx, is used when the y function is given, and the second notation f dash of x is given. F dash of x is written when the function is given in the form of f of x. Now, for a differentiable function y equal to f of x, if the delta x is the small increment in x, suppose here delta x be the small increment in x and the corresponding increment in y is denoted by delta y, then this limit as delta x tends to 0 delta y upon delta x exists. If this limit exists, then it can be given by the derivative of y with respect to x. See here, limit delta x tends to 0 delta y upon delta x is equal to dy by dx. If the limit exists, then the derivative of y, that is dy by dx, exists. It is the meaning of the differentiable function of y. Suppose there are some examples u and v. Suppose u is a differentiable function of x, that means derivative of u with respect to x exists. And when another function v is a differentiable function of x, that means its derivative with respect to x exists, that is dv by dx exists. These are the meaning of the statements u and v are differentiable functions of x. Now, by definition of Leibniz notation, by using Leibniz notation, we can write as u is a differentiable function of x, means suppose a small increment in u is delta u and small increment in x is delta x, then by using Leibniz notation, derivative of u with respect to x, that is du by dx, can be written as limit delta x tends to 0 delta u divided by delta x. Similarly, suppose v is a differentiable function of x, means derivative of v exists, that is dv by dx, and by using Leibniz notation we can write this as limit delta x tends to 0 delta v divided by delta x. This is the very important definition or very important remark for the basics of differentiation. Consider some another example. Suppose there is a function x. Now here x is a function of some variable, suppose t. X is a differentiable function of x. X is a differentiable function of t. That means derivative of x with respect to t exists, and by using Leibniz notation we can write this as, now here write limit as delta t tends to 0. Limit delta t tends to 0 delta x divided by delta t. This is the definition when the variable x is differentiable function of t. So these are the meanings of differentiable functions of one variable with respect to another variable. Now we will see some derivatives of some standard functions. So this is the chart from 11th standard book, which is useful for 12th standard. Here are two columns, y equal to f of x, and corresponding column is dy by dx. Similarly, second table contains also y equal to f of x and corresponding derivatives. Derivative of constant is always 0. Derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of 1 by x is given by minus 1 upon x square. 1 upon x raised to n is, derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Next one is derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Now consider the derivatives of trigonometric function. Here are the trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec and cot. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. It is the one of the most easy formula for derivative, because derivative of e raised to x remains same. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Derivative of log x is 1 by x, and another term or another logarithmic function having base a, its derivative is 1 upon x into log a. So these are the some formulas for derivatives of some standard function. Now we will recall rules of differentiation. There are 4 rules for differentiation. Suppose u and v are differentiable functions of x. Now here u and v are differentiable functions of x such that a function y is expressed as addition or subtraction of u and v. Here two rules are combined, rules of differentiation. Here derivative of sum and derivative of subtraction are combined when y is expressed as u plus v and y is expressed as u minus v. These are rules of differentiation. Now see, derivative of y with respect to x is given by, when y is expressed as addition or subtraction of two functions, then derivative is also expressed as addition or subtraction of corresponding derivatives. Now see here, du by dx and dv by dx are the derivatives of u and v respectively, and as y is expressed as addition of two variables or two functions, y is equal to u plus v or u minus v, dy by dx can be written as here addition or subtraction of two derivatives, that is derivative of u and derivative of v. So this is the derivative of sum and derivative of subtraction. It is the rule for summation or subtraction. Now one of the important rule for differentiation, when the y function or when a function is expressed as product of two functions, suppose this y is expressed as two product of two functions, then dy by dx is given by here, see here, dy by dx is given by first as it is, u as it is, into derivative of v, that is dv by dx, plus v as it is and into derivative of u with respect to x, that is du by dx. We can consider this rule as also along u into v, or suppose consider this u as first and this v as second function. So for our conveniency, we can write this dy by dx as first as it is, derivative of second, that is d of second, plus second as it is, d of first, that is derivative of first. So तुम्हाला चॉईस आहे u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx, याच्या ऐवजी first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first असंही आपण इथे म्हणू शकतो. The next rule is derivative for division. When the y is expressed as, when this y is expressed as division of two variables, and here condition is that the denominator must be not equal to 0. जो denominator हवा आहे तो not equal to 0 हवा आहे. And dy by dx is expressed as, now in terms of u and v, v as it is into du by dx minus u into dv by dx and total divided by v square. Now in terms of first and second, we can write this as second as it is into d of first minus first as it is into d of second and total divided by square of second. आपल्या सोयीसाठी आपण u into v च्या ऐवजी किंवा u upon v च्या ऐवजी आपण फर्स्ट सेकंडच्या फॉर्ममध्येही हा रूल लक्षात ठेवू शकतो. So these are the rules of differentiation which are mostly used for the differentiation of various types of derivatives. Now we will see some simple examples dependent on these rules. So first example is differentiate the following with respect to x. Now here the function is root x plus tan x minus x cube. Solution. Given y is equal to, write first step of solution as the given function y. Y is equal to root x plus tan x minus x cube. Now write here differentiating with respect to x, that is dwrtx. It is must have to write dwrtx, differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to Now differentiate one by one these functions. Here root x plus tan x, so use the formula or use the rule for differentiation for addition, and after tan x there is a minus symbol, so here we will use derivative of subtraction. So one by one we will use the formulae of standard functions. Derivative of root x, that is d by dx of root x. Similarly, derivative of tan x is written as d by dx of tan x minus as it is and d by dx of x cube. Therefore, now we know that derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Therefore, the term is here 1 upon 2 root x plus as it is d by dx of tan x is, here we know that derivative of tan x is sec square x. So here is sec square x minus as it is minus carry करायचा आहे, and derivative of x cube is, we know that derivative of x cube is 3x square. Hence the final solution of this example is 1 upon 2 root x plus x square x minus 3x square. Next example. Now see here, we have to differentiate this these combinations of function. Here are some additions and subtraction also, minus 2 by 3 and etc. So let us start the solution. Here is the solution. Let y is equal to 7 raised to x plus x raised to 7 minus 2 by 3 into x root x minus log x plus 7 raised to 7. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of 7 raised to x, that is d by dx of 7 raised to x plus d by dx of x raised to 7. RHS मधील प्रत्येक टर्मला d by dx अटॅच करायचा आहे, minus 2 by 3 into d by dx of x raised to 3 by 2. Now see here, x into root x is equal to, here is power of x is 1 and root x means x raised to half. Hence by using rules of indices, total power of x will be x raised to 3 by 2. Therefore the term here x raised to 3 by 2 minus d by dx of log x plus d by dx of x 7 raised to 7. Now first term, d by dx of 7 raised to x is 7 raised to x into log 7. It is the direct formula. Derivative of exponential function, we will use here the formula d by dx of a raised to x. a raised to x हा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे तो या ठिकाणी यूज केलेला आहे. d by dx of x raised to n, use the formula for x raised to n. Derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1, and here after comparison we will get n is equal to 7. So by using this formula, derivative of x raised to 7 will be 7 into x raised to 7 minus 1, and that is 7 into x raised to 6 minus 2 by 3 as it is. Now derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 is, by using the same previous formula, 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So here is the derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 into x raised to half असा आलेला आहे. Minus derivative of log x is clearly derivative of log x is 1 by x, and lastly 7 raised to 7 is a constant. 7 raised to 7 is a constant and its derivative is 0. Here is not necessary to calculate 7 raised to 7. 7 raised to 7 is a constant, hence its derivative is 0. तो कॅल्क्युलेट करायची आवश्यकता नाही, त्यामुळे त्याचा डायरेक्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण 0 लिहू शकतो. इज इक्वल टू, नाव सिम्प्लिफिकेशन, 7 raised to x into log 7 plus 7 into x raised to 6 minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by x. This is the final answer. And one more step after simplification we can write here. Write x raised to half is equal to root x. Therefore, the last step of this example is, solution of this example is 7 raised to x into log 7 plus 7 into x raised to 6 minus root x minus 1 by x. Now, the next question is for the product of two functions. Here x raised to 5 and tan x, these functions are multiplied by each other. Therefore, we have to use here UV rule. Solution: y is equal to x raised to 5 into tan x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 5 into tan x. Now, suppose this x raised to 5 is first function and tan x is a second function. Then, by using first into second rule, we can write, we will recall the derivative, the rule again. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So, let us see the step of the solution. First as it is, that means x raised to 5 as it is, into d of second, that is d by dx of tan x, plus second as it is, that is tan x as it is, and d by dx of first, that is d by dx of x raised to 5 is equal to, ही झाली फक्त पहिली स्टेप. रूल अप्लाय केल्यानंतर आता ॲक्च्युअल डिफरन्शिएशन x raised to 5 as it is, derivative of tan x is sec square x plus tan x as it is, and derivative of x raised to 5 is by using formula x raised to n, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Therefore, 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1 and is given by 5 into x raised to 4. Hence, the derivative of x raised to 5 is 5 into x raised to 4. And therefore, taking common x raised to 4 from the both the terms, x raised to 4 into the remaining terms are x raised to 5 मधून x raised to 4 कॉमन काढल्यानंतर एक x बाकी राहिला, तो या ठिकाणी आहे x into sec square x plus 5 tan x. Okay, so this is the final answer. Next question. Here is the product of x cube and log x. So same rule is applicable here, u into v rule or first into second rule. X cube as it is given, or let y is equal to x cube into log x, differentiating with respect to x. Then by using first second rule, x cube is first and log x is second. Then x cube into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x cube is equal to x cube as it is. Now here derivative of log x is 1 by x and plus log x as it is, derivative of x cube is 3x square, cancelling 1x, the term is x square plus 3x square into log x, taking common x square, the final answer is x square into 1 plus 3 log x. This is the final answer. Now, the next example is on u upon v rule. So, let us start. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Y equal to x square sin x upon x plus cos x. Now, observe here, suppose u is equal to x square sin x and v is equal to x plus cos x. If we observe these two functions u and v, these two functions are already some product or addition of two functions. So when we have to find du by dx or dv by dx, we again use the rules of differentiation, that is where it is necessary, we will use the derivative of product and derivative of division. So let us start. Given y is equal to x square sin x divided by x plus cos x. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, now by using first or second, first by second or u by v rule, we will write the first step of differentiation, second as it is, x plus cos x as it is, into derivative of first, that is d by dx of x square into sin x, minus first आहे तसंच लिहा x square into sin x into d by dx of secant, that is x d by dx of x plus cos x, and total divided by square of secant जो आहे त्याचा स्क्वेअर x plus cos x bracket square is equal to, now actual differentiation, see here x plus cos x as it is. Now separately we will see the d by dx of x square into sin x square as first and sin x as second. So x square as it is, d by dx of sin x, u into v rule is here, x square into d by dx of sin x plus sin x into d by dx of x square हा झाला फक्त या टर्मचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. नाव मायनस ॲज इट इज, हा मायनस कॅरी केला, एक्स स्क्वेअर साइन एक्स आहे असंच. आता इकडे डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स प्लस कॉस एक्स, हिअर इज जस्ट ॲडिशन ऑफ टू फंक्शन, सो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स इज 1 and derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so the derivative of x plus cos x is, by simplification, it is 1 minus sin x. Understand? Here is u into v rule, and for second we will use here derivative of summation is equal to x plus cos x into x square as it is. Now here derivative of sin x is cos x, sin x as it is, derivative of x square is 2x, multiplying by x square sin x into 1, here minus x square into sin x, minus into minus is plus, and x square sin x into sin x is x square sin square x is equal to, after simplification, multiplying by x cube into cos x plus 2x square into sin x plus x square into cos square x plus 2x sin x. Simplifying this total term, multiplying by total factor into x square cos x and similarly 2x into sin x. Third and fourth terms are as it is, that is plus sin square x minus x square sin x and divided by x plus cos x is equal to x cube cos x plus 2x square sin x plus x square cos x as it is, सगळ्या टर्म्स आहे अशाच, प्लस 2x cos x, प्रीवियस स्टेप आहे ती इथं रिपीट केलेली आहे, इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब कॉस एक्स प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर साइन एक्स प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर कॉस एक्स कंबाईन केलेला आहे, एक्स स्क्वेअर साइन स्क्वेअर एक्स प्लस एक्स इंटू साइन 2x, 2x square minus x square sin x is x square sin x is written here, is equal to x square into x into cos x plus sin x plus cos square x plus sin square x plus x into sin 2x. By identity, cos square x plus sin square x is 1, hence the final answer is x square into x cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus x into sin 2x divided by x plus cos x bracket square. So this is the revision of 11th standard. Now in next video we will start our actual syllabus of 12th standard.